Who is she? Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Missile for those of you who do not know, and welcome. Today's video, it's a very chill video. I actually did not have planned a video for today. Oh yeah, because if you didn't know, I dyed my hair today, so yeah. But today is gonna be a very chill video. I think the title of this video is the makeup I do when I do a TikTok. I don't know. I need to upload something. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That would help me out a lot. And let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna put my hair back. And this is also the makeup I've been doing lately. There are some new products that just came into my collection. So first I'm gonna go in with a primer. I'm actually gonna use the MAC Strobe cream just because I want more of a glowy look to my skin. Even though I'm just gonna be filming some TikToks, I still want my skin to look a bit glowy, not too much, just a bit. So I dyed my hair today and I'm obsessed with it. I'm still kind of, I don't know, I need to get used to it because I don't know. I still see myself in the mirror. I'm like, oh my god, I'm blonde now. But I'm really excited just to get a new look. I think I needed something like this, and yeah, I like it. I don't know if you guys like it, but I like it. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Eaze Drop Blurring Skin Tint. I used the shade 3, just going with a few dots on my fingers. This product is better to apply it with your fingers instead of with a brush or a sponge. I've been loving this product lately. I think I've been wearing it every single day. I just love how my skin looks with it. Okay, for concealer, I have a new product. It's another product from Fenty Beauty. It's the Bright Fix Eye Brightener. I got the shade Crepe 04 and I've been loving this product. It's a very lightweight cream product. Once you apply it to your under eyes, it's kind of like a serum. Much lighter than my Glossier Stretch Concealer, which I love, and this one I've been loving as well. Bought it last week and ever since then I've been wearing it, I think, every single day because it's very lightweight on my under eyes. It doesn't dry them out or anything, but I don't know about the shade because when I saw it in the store it said it had a cool undertone. But I think it looks good. I've seen that with this product you can wear it alone or you could use it with a foundation. It actually pairs very well with the skin tint, the Fenty Beauty skin tint. But so far, so good. I need to go in with a bit more on my inner corners just because I have very dark circles. Okay, now taking the Glossier Wowder, I'm just gonna set my under eyes, especially when I'm gonna be working with a ring light and my phone, not the camera, but my phone. I really have to mattify my face. I don't like it when it looks like a little bit like oily, even though it's not oily. And I go first under my eye. This skin tint isn't glowy at all, but sometimes with the glowy product I applied under, it does give a bit of a glow. So I just go mainly on the T-zone, and I'm just using the excess powder that's left on the brush from applying it to my under eyes. Okay, for a bronzer, I'm gonna use the Patrick Ta Cream Contour and Powder Bronzer Duo. Starting with the cream one, just contour a bit, not too much. Then go in with the powder and bronze the skin up. I want it to look more natural, especially because lately I've been doing more acting. I've been doing more acting on TikTok, so I want it to look a bit more natural, like if I were acting like on set or something. And I've been really loving doing those videos. I'm actually practicing a lot to make myself cry on cue. It takes me a while as I do the techniques of keeping your eyes open and thinking about sad stuff, but sometimes I think I get too much in my head that I'm like, I need to cry, I need to cry, I need to cry, and I just can't cry. So, but soon I'll get myself crying. For a highlighter, again, I want something more natural, so I'm gonna go in with the matte cream color base in the shade Pearl. Take some with my finger and apply it. I do it with my fingers just so it melts into the skin and then it looks a bit more natural. There's a bit on the tip of my nose and bridge, inner corner. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this blush. This is the NARS Air Matte Blush in the shade Hushed. And I love this shade. It's so pretty. Take some of that with a brush and start applying. I like this blush because it's very neutral. It's not like super pink or super peach. It just looks very natural. Especially if you don't like blush, but sometimes you think you need a bit of blush. This shade is really pretty. I'm like always concentrated more on the outer part of my face instead of the apples. And a bit of on the bridge of my nose because it's for TikTok. Blend it out a bit with the Beauty Blender. Okay, so for my eyebrows, I'm just gonna go in with the KOSAS Eyebrow Brow Gel in medium brown. Just go over my eyebrows with this gel. Alright, for my eyes, just because days like this I just feel lazy, so I'm not gonna apply an eye primer and just go in with the Marc Jacobs Omega Shadow in the big O and literally take the eyeshadow and apply it all over my eye. And then with a smaller brush, apply it to my lower lash line. And I could just leave it like this, but I'm actually gonna go into the Fenty Beauty Snap Shadow in One True Neutrals and take Velvet Cuffs with my finger and just apply it to my eyelids. Can you tell I'm super lazy? This is what I do. It looks very pretty on TikTok and when I'm recording videos, so that's why I like this look. Just gonna go in with the same brush we applied the matte shadow. Blend it out. And I'm gonna go in with the brown shadow and just, I'm not gonna do a wing or anything. I'm just gonna get really close to my lash line and do a liner there just to get more definition to the eyes. It also depends on what type of TikTok I'm gonna film. If I want my eyes to look more lifted, I do a wing, but if I just want a simple natural look, I just do this. Okay, I'm gonna do my lashes off camera and be right back. All right, mascara is done. I used the Ilia Limitless Mascara. Now time for lips. Okay, first I'm just gonna line my lips with the NYX Retractable Lip Liner in Natural. And then apply the Rare Beauty Glossy Lip Balm in Nearly Neutral. Just want something really natural. And we are done. All right, so this is the final look. It's super natural, super quick. I like this look because it's super easy to do once maybe I found a sound on TikTok or I just need to get out of the house quickly. This is the look I have been going to, but yeah, I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also comment down below what other types of videos you want to see. You could also subscribe to my channel. That would help me out a lot. And also click the bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. You can also follow me on my social medias, which I always leave here, and also in the description box below. Every product I mentioned today, it's gonna be in the description box below. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok. Go check it out. I try to upload every single day, and yeah, I love you very much. And I'll see you in the next video, which is the next video I'm gonna have my brown hair back. But just know I recorded that before this one. So yeah, I love you and I'll see you in the next one.